Are we live? Word. Hey, what's going on, guys? Nick Kostulas here, and today I want to talk to you about how you can make six figures in 2018. So, let me just give you guys a little background information about me. If you guys are new to the channel, I own my own social media advertising agency called Balance Media Productions, and I'm going to show you guys what I do for local businesses to, bring them massive amounts of social media results which, in turn give me, a passive income. So let's dive right into it. Let's jump into the slide. All right, how to make six figures in 2018. We got to do the flame effect, obviously. All right, let's jump right into the presentation. Your first viral commercial. Now, Geno's is a business that I've been helping with their social media for a couple months now. I think around like 10, 11 months. And this was our most recent commercial. Now, this is an amazing way to get a six-figure salary. All you need is, 8 different restaurants to make commercials like this for, and you could be making a six-figure salary at $8,000 a month. Now, let me explain to you why a business like this would pay me or pay you or pay anyone like $500 to $1,500 per month on a recurring basis. Now, this is just a restaurant. There's plenty of other industries, but let me just use the restaurant as an example. So the long-term value for one happy, satisfied customer for a restaurant guest is worth $6,620 over the span of 5 years. Where am I getting that number from? My man Joe Soto from the Ty Lopez course taught me that number. And it's because of this specific statistic. Try saying that 5 times fast. It's because of that. That's the main reason why business owners have signed up with me. Because they realize the value of one happy, satisfied person. Now, look at the people reached. 85,000 people. Look how many people actually sat there and watched this video for a minute. 58,000 people. Look how many people shared it. 358. Look how many people liked it. 1,300. When you do the math over the... Look at all these people who have possibly never even been to this restaurant before. The amount of money that it makes them over the span of 5 years is ridiculous. And this is just one industry. Now, if you can make a viral commercial for, say, like a real estate agency, then you can make some ridiculous, serious money. So, this is just a simple way to understand that if you could get just, I don't know, you can get 4 restaurants paying you $2,000 a month, you have a six-figure business. Okay? Like, it's just that simple. Let's dive into the next slide. All right, so this past 2 days, 2 days ago, I think it was, or 1 day ago, I'm not sure. It was Greek Easter, and I went to my cousin's house. He lives in Merrick, and I decided to bring my drone with me. Sheila's my drone, if you guys have not met her yet. Basically, this video on the bottom left, I'm going to show you why investing in a drone is ridiculously powerful, and it's a great investment when it comes to, creating a six-figure salary for yourself. So, as you can see me maneuvering around the wires and the trees, basically my drone Sheila shoots in 4K. So for a business owner, just think about the commercials that you can make for them. So I put the drone in active track right here. I draw a little square around me, and the camera locks on me, and it moves backward. So pretend like this shot that I just did was for like a restaurant. That's basically what I did for Geno's. And it really just makes them amazing commercials for people to be like, wow, like you're probably looking at this right now and going, geez, like look how cool this freaking looks. Like, look how many houses you could see. Look how high up this thing goes. Like, when you have a asset to your business like a drone, it pays for itself immediately. Like, I've gotten, people who didn't even become clients of mine have paid me to make commercials or just to take shots like this. Very simple shots, because they obviously can't do it themselves, you know. So um, having a drone makes you super unique, and it's a great way to make six figures. So here's another way to make six figures, okay? Daily emails equals a daily profit. Now, I'm sorry about that, guys. I was just trying to exit out of the keynote and I accidentally turned off the screen recording, so let's hop right back in there. Um, Daily emails equals a daily profit. Now, email marketing. So, what did happen? All right, so let's just keep it on this page. What kind of money can you make from an email list? A ridiculous amount of money. Now, let me explain to you why. When you're selling your service, right? When you're or creating a brand for yourself, why is having an email list so freaking important? Well, looking back at that slide right here, you know, the long-term one happy satisfied customer for a restaurant over the span of 5 years is around $6,000. So if you can get a couple emails collected, like, you know, here are a couple examples of what I did to collect emails. I got about 3,500 different emails. So think about that. If you can send out daily emails with coupons and specials for another business or your own business, you will literally have a daily profit, because it's the law of numbers. What are the odds that 1 out of 3,000 people are interested in a free slice of pizza for the day? What if 1 out of 3,000 people are interested in a coaching call for 30 minutes? Like, think about the different ways that you can monetize once you have a system in place. So if you know how to capture emails, you can know how to make a daily profit. So a way to make six figures from your bedroom is as simple as just hopping on an email software, writing out some emails, and then sending it out to your list. And then, due to the law of numbers, you're going to get some return. You know, so it's really that simple. Making six figures from your house is totally possible, and there's so many cool different ways to do it. Today I just showed you guys the ways that I do it, but there's so many more ways to do it. I need to learn a couple more ways to make a passive income, because why not? If the system is in place and you know how to run paid traffic and you know how to run Facebook ads, there is an unlimited amount of money that you can literally make. An unlimited amount of money. Because if you can put, $1 into Facebook advertising and you know it's going to make you $2, you're going to make $2 back. It's like, that's exactly what happens with advertising. That's why the most successful brands in the entire world, like Nike, make so much money, because that's why you see them so often on TV. That's why you see them so often in Instagram and Facebook, because they understand the power of branding and they understand the power of commercial. Now, if you guys are interested in learning how to make a professional commercial, and you want to learn a step-by-step plan that shows you how to do the email marketing, that shows you how to, talk to business owners, that shows you how to make, six figures from sitting in your bedroom, my course is on sale today. It will be on sale for the next week. Each and every day, it's going up by $100. Currently, it's at $300. The main price of my course, the original price of my course, is $1,000. So, the people who take the most action are the people who are going to pay the least. We got 14 people in the course so far. I'm currently mentoring 3 of the 14 people. Actually, 4 of the 14 people. If you'd like to be one of those mentored students, it's very simple. All you got to do is sign up for a coaching call with me, and we can talk about the different packages that I can offer you in becoming your online money-making mentor. I'll literally show you how to make six figures from your bedroom, chilling out, playing video games. If you guys are interested in that and you want to learn how you can make money playing video games, check out my personal brand playlist. I have a couple different videos explaining how you can make money with just your name and your social media. So that's the goal of this channel, to teach you guys how to make money, how to get healthy, and to just become an overall stronger version of yourself. So I appreciate you guys watching to the very end. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and you turn on post notifications. New videos every single day. Peace out.